Hi, hello, welcome to EduFuel Plus YouTube channel. This is Ajay Pulla. So in this particular video I am going to discuss some of the previous year questions from HCU previous year papers and also from other university entrance exams. So I already covered two videos on alkenes concept. So this particular question is belongs to the topic. So see here, when an alkene treated with boron, we call it as hydroboration. So here boron is an electrophile because it is having 6 electrons, so we call it as Lewis acid. So donation of electrons from these alkenes to this electrophilic boron gives a carbocation like this. So here see, the donation of these pi bonded electrons may takes place from this carbon or takes place from this carbon, and there is a two chances of formation of carbocation. These are the two possible carbocation formation from this particular nucleophile. So we have to consider the stability of carbocation. So when we compare these two carbocation stability, so this will be more stable compared to this, because this carbocation can be stabilized by this phenyl group by delocalization. In this case there is no delocalization of pi bonded electrons, so this is a relatively more stable when compared to this. So I hope this is very clear for you. So see here, the hydroboration reaction is a concerted single step reaction. There is no formation of intermediate stages, so it takes place in single step. So reaction takes place like this. See, so see here, after forming the carbocation, the boron is having negative charge and here carbon is having positive charge. So the donation of this hydride ion takes place. So hydroboration takes place like this. So after forming this compound, now we have to treat with NaOH H2O2. So when NaOH is a base and H2O2 hydrogen peroxide, when H2O2 with NaOH, NaOH abstract a proton from H2O2 and gives an anionic charge on the oxygen. So this can be donated to the electrophilic boron. Now so see, so after forming this compound, here the OO sigma bond is relatively weaker, so breakage of this bond takes place and elimination of hydroxide ion takes place, and see here oxygen is getting positive charge. To neutralize this positive charge, so the sigma bond between carbon and boron shifted towards oxygen. So this is a compound we have. After forming this, if you hydrolysis this compound, you may get an alcohol. So this is a final product we got from this particular reaction. I hope the explanation is very clear for you. So when you treat this particular substrate with this reagent, you got a hydroboration product like this. So then you have to treat with H2O2 in the presence of NaOH. You may get an alcohol product like this. So this is a cis addition product. So always the stereochemistry of this OH and hydrogen are in same plane. This is cis addition reaction. So we are going to solve one more question now. So see here how the reaction takes place. When you treat this substrate with this particular reagent, we call it as hydroboration. So after forming hydroboration product, you have to treat it with this H2O2 in the presence of NaOH. So you have to find the final product. See, the donation of the pi bundle electrons takes place from this side. So we have product like this with negative charge here and positive charge here. So after here we have positive charge, here boron contains negative charge. So the hydride ion transfer takes place to here in a cyclic concerted way. So here we have new hydrogen atom. Now you have to treat it with this NaOH and H2O2. When you treat H2O2 with NaOH, NaOH is a base. It can abstract a proton from H2O2 and gives a negative charge on oxygen. So the electrons from this oxygen donated to this boron. See here we have a sigma bond between these two oxygens, which is very weaker. So the breakage of the sigma bonds takes place very easily and the elimination of hydroxide ion takes place, and this oxygen gets some positive character. So to stabilize this oxygen, the sigma bond between this carbon and this boron will be shifted towards this oxygen, and we have a product like this. So see here, now if we hydrolyze this product using water, we get alcohol as the final product. So this is our final product, and the stereochemistry of this product will be like this, or otherwise like this. So this is the final product we got in this reaction. So if you like the content, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. And if you are still having any doubt regarding to this topic, you can write in the comment section, we will discuss there. So thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe.